Have you ever wondered what really happens when you have bad breath? Maybe you're talking to someone,
And I was like, really?
laughing with friends,
Or leaning closer to say something.
and suddenly you notice the reaction. They step back slightly, or you catch a strange smell when you breathe out. You quickly cover your mouth, wondering what just happened. Inside your mouth lives a hidden world of millions of bacteria. Most people think bad breath simply means they forgot to brush their teeth. But the truth is much more interesting, and it all starts inside your mouth. Your mouth is home to millions of tiny bacteria. They live on your teeth, gums, and especially on your tongue.
Most of the time, they live there peacefully and are even helpful in breaking down food particles.
But things start to change when small pieces of food remain in your mouth after eating. Tiny fragments of meat, bread, sugar, or other foods can get trapped between your teeth, along your gums, or on your tongue. When this happens, the bacteria inside your mouth begin to feed on those leftover particles. And when bacteria eat, they produce waste. As they break down the food, they release sulfur gases, the same type of gases that smell like rotten eggs. Those gases slowly build up inside your mouth, and when you talk or breathe out, that smell escapes. That unpleasant odor is what we call bad breath, medically known as halitosis. But that's not the only reason bad breath happens. During the night when you sleep, your mouth produces much less saliva. Saliva is extremely important because it acts like a natural cleaning system. It washes away food particles and helps control the bacteria living in your mouth. When there isn't enough saliva, bacteria multiply more quickly and produce more odor. That's why many people wake up with what we call morning breath. Your tongue also plays a surprisingly big role in bad breath. The surface of the tongue is covered with tiny bumps and grooves that easily trap bacteria, dead cells, and food debris. If these materials stay there too long, they form a thin layer called a biofilm, which becomes a perfect place for odor-producing bacteria to grow. Over time, that layer becomes one of the biggest causes of mouth odor. Sometimes bad breath can also be linked to gum problems. When bacteria begin to irritate the gums, they cause swelling and infection. This early stage of gum disease is called gingivitis. When gums become infected, bacteria grow deeper around the teeth and release even stronger odors. Even the foods you eat can influence how your breath smells. Foods like garlic, onions, and certain spices contain strong chemicals. After digestion, these chemicals enter your bloodstream and travel to your lungs. When you breathe out, those chemicals leave your body through your breath, causing a noticeable smell. Your body is constantly trying to protect you. Saliva washes away bacteria. Your immune system keeps harmful microbes under control. And with simple habits like brushing your teeth, flossing between them, cleaning your tongue, and drinking enough water, you help restore balance inside your mouth. Slowly, the bacteria reduce, the gases disappear, and your breath becomes fresh. So the next time you notice bad breath, remember, it's not just an embarrassing smell. It's a tiny invisible world inside your mouth, where bacteria, food particles, and your body's defenses are constantly interacting in a battle you can't see, but sometimes you can definitely smell.